I'm Dr. Olivia Parker. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 12 years of experience helping men reclaim their vitality, confidence, and I've worked with men in their 40s, 50s, 60s, even 70s who thought their best days were behind them, only to see them regain strength, intimacy, and energy with simple, consistent habits. There's no magic bullet, but there are proven biological strategies that stack up and produce real change, quality of life. Gentlemen, what if I told you that one of the most powerful ways to boost your testosterone, improve your circulation, and restore steady energy isn't hiding in some expensive pill or supplement, but it's probably sitting right in your kitchen cabinet right now? Yes, I'm talking about extra virgin olive oil. The same golden oil you drizzle on your salad or cook your veggies with can become the base of a simple nighttime ritual. A blend of natural whole food ingredients that work with your body to support hormone production, better blood flow, and yes, even bedroom confidence. And here's the best part. It takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. So before you scroll away, pause. This could be the most practical, affordable, and science-backed men's health strategy you've heard in years. Now let's talk truth. A lot of men believe testosterone decline is inevitable. They say, "Doc, I'm over 50. What do you expect?" But here's the myth, that nothing can be done. While testosterone does gradually dip about 1% per year after midlife, the speed and severity of that decline are not fixed. Lifestyle, diet, sleep, stress, even small nightly habits can shift that curve in your favor. Your body is always adapting. Feed it the right building blocks, lower the daily wear and tear, and you can help your body restore balance, often without prescriptions or harsh chemicals. And that's where this olive oil mixture comes in. One of my favorites? This evening olive oil blend. Let's break down the 5 powerhouse ingredients and why they work biologically, emotionally, and practically. 1 extra virgin olive oil, the foundation. Let's start with the base, high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Biology. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, the clean, raw materials your body uses to build steroid hormones like testosterone. It also packs polyphenols, compounds like oleocanthal and hydroxytyrosol, that reduce inflammation and protect your blood vessels. Inflammation is like static on a radio. It scrambles the signals between your brain and testes. Lower that static, and your body can direct testosterone production more efficiently. Emotionally, when men hear fat, they think clogged arteries. But healthy fats like olive oil do the opposite. They support flexible blood vessels, improving blood flow and, yes, erection quality. Practically, swap out refined vegetable oils or butter with olive oil, and you've already taken your first step toward better hormones. In this recipe, olive oil is your anchor. 2 garlic, the circulation ally. Biology. When you crush or chop garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes, it produces allicin, a compound that supports vascular relaxation and lowers blood pressure. Think of your arteries as garden hoses. If they're stiff and narrow, flow is weak. Garlic helps them stay flexible so blood moves freely. Emotionally, better circulation means stronger, more reliable performance in every sense. Practically, crush 1 garlic clove, mix it in with your olive oil, and the lemon we'll add later balances the flavor beautifully. 3 lemon juice, the protector biology. Lemon delivers vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your blood vessels to open up. It also strengthens collagen in vessel walls, keeping them elastic and resilient. Emotionally, this is where you'll start to feel steady energy and better recovery. Your workouts, sleep, and mental clarity all improve when blood flow improves. Practically, just a teaspoon of lemon juice adds brightness and makes this blend something you'll look forward to taking. 4 ginger, the vitality root biology. Its compounds, gingerols and shoggols lower inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and improve microcirculation. Several studies show that ginger supplementation can improve sperm health and hormone levels in men. Emotionally, ever notice those afternoon crashes? Fatigue, irritability, brain fog. Ginger helps smooth that roller coaster, keeping your energy steady and your mind sharp. Practically, add half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger or a pinch of powdered to your mix. It adds warmth, spice, and a subtle kick. 5. Turmeric with black pepper, the anti-inflammatory duo. Biology. Turmeric's key compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory, but it's poorly absorbed unless paired with piperine, found in black pepper. Together, they amplify absorption up to 2,000%. This duo reduces chronic inflammation, the silent enemy that interferes with testosterone and weakens your vessels. Emotionally, reducing inflammation doesn't just protect you long-term, it makes you feel better daily. Looser joints, clearer thinking, faster recovery. Practically, a small pinch of each turns your olive oil golden and aromatic, a visual cue that you're fueling your body's strength. The recipe. Putting it all together. Now that you know the why, here's the how. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Crush 1 garlic clove, let it sit for 10 minutes, then whisk it in. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Add 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, or 1/4 teaspoon dried. Sprinkle in a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk until golden and smooth. How to use it? Take it as a quick shot before dinner, drizzle it over your salad, or dip whole grain bread into it. Best time? Evening, because your body does most of its hormone synthesis and repair while you sleep. By taking this blend with dinner, you're syncing nutrients with your body's natural rhythm. What to expect now? Set your expectations right. You won't take this once and wake up with a six-pack and iron confidence. That's not how biology works. But after 2 to 4 weeks, you may start noticing steadier daytime energy, faster recovery after workouts, improved mood and motivation, more reliable performance in the bedroom. These shifts are gradual and sustainable. You're not forcing your body, you're supporting it. Gentlemen, aging doesn't mean losing vitality. It means being more intentional. Your body is still capable of producing testosterone, of strong blood flow, of intimacy and power, but only if you give it the care it deserves. This olive oil blend isn't a gimmick, it's a tool. Pair it with movement, good sleep, stress control, and real nutrition. And you'll be amazed at what your 50s, 60s, and beyond can feel like. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to this ritual for 30 days. Then tell me how you feel. Stay consistent, stay hopeful. And remember, gentlemen, age is not the end of vitality. It's the beginning of wisdom, strength, and confidence. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, and I'll see you in the next video.